So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing, or is this Clovis?
Close.
We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 50-gallon Bradford White natural gas water heater. Up at the top, you've got copper stubbed out of the home, which is excellent. So that's a great product on both sides, hot and cold. We gave you a brand new shutoff valve here, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and this is the, just like that, off, on. Brass nipple beyond that, Falcon stainless steel connector, 3/4 inch inside diameter, biggest in the industry right here, brass extension. So all of ours is going to flow great. Copper flows great, brass, stainless steel, all of it. So that's good. Brand new pressure relief valve, temperature and or pressure. When that builds up, if that builds up for some reason, then this is supposed to pop off and relieve the pressure through that drain line. So this is the most important part of the water heater right here. Brand new vent going up into the ceiling bucket. That's your ceiling bucket. The part that's up in the sheetrock belongs to you. That's R90. Little piece of pipe there. We like to give you new venting as well. Upper third, we've got an adjustable strap. Lower third, we've got an adjustable strap. Over here, we gave you a new gas valve. You had the old spin-through valve, which leaks after a period of time, and then PG&E shuts your gas off. So, new valve, new connector going into the controller. Right now, the water heater is lit, and it's going to take about an hour and a half to get hot water. You can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So, we set it at hot, which is 120. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, for safety purposes, says leave it here. The CDC says B, 140, and that's to keep bacteria from growing in your tank, keeping in mind if you have infants or elderly or anybody that has thin skin, the risk of scalding is greatly increases here. This is 3 seconds and you got 3rd-degree burns, you're going to the hospital. For the elderly and infants, 1 second. So just be mindful if you do turn this up. If you do turn it up to B, it's going to make this water heater feel more like a 65-gallon instead of a 50. But right here, you've got your model number, your serial number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com and get this registered. It's their website. You can see right here, bradfordwhite.com, then hit register. Give them your serial number, full name, street address, all that stuff, and they'll get your warranty going on this. Everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.